It's JW with Jeep Monkey here for another fantastic video. Well, this thing's still squeaking. And it's kind of hard to see, but this pulley off the power steering is crooked. But what it's doing is it'll stay on like this, but really it's too loose. So it's not engaging my power steer or my alternator very well, unless my alternator is going out, but I seriously doubt. So first we'll loosen the belt, and previous videos have already had that. So 13 millimeter. Yeah, don't start that again, right? And then loosen it up and take it off. Then the rest is just either 13 millimeter or 14 millimeter bolts to take this off, and we're gonna take this off, so it's just easier. Alright, I got it off all the way down, took these out. Word of advice though, drain the power steering before you unhook it. So I would, while it's in place, unhook the top line and the bottom line, which is right there. Just would have made it easier. So next thing, I'm going to put the bracket in from the previous vehicle. We'll go from there. Alright, so we got the bracket on, and I got it nice and tight. So I went ahead that this fourth one, there's 4 bolts total that go into this, but this is going to need to be taken off for the bracket. But I put it on to tighten the other ones. The other one's hidden right in here. I don't really like that design because you got to take out the power steering completely to get to that bolt. So it'd be nice if just this whole thing would come off as one piece. But anyways, it's neither here nor there. Let's get the pump in. Alright. So before we put the hoses back on, we're going to put the belt back on. Anyways, I got the belt on as I was talking, and honestly, this is probably pretty good, actually. So let's tighten her up. Alright, now what we're gonna have to do is hook these hoses back up. There we go. Alright, that one's tight. Now I just need to get that bottom hose all the way on. I got it about halfway. It's just off the board. Alright, now we got this in place. And it's time to add fluid. I've got these tight, so we'll have to check it out. And then alright, actually let's check the level. And then alright, we still got to add more, so just a little bit more. So it's at the add line. Alright, let's try that. Now hopefully this power steering, ooh, I might have put too much in it now. Not Not by much though. Yeah, dang. So alright. Thanks for watching. Press like. Sorry, you got a little bit of something on your chin. Anyways, press like, subscribe, whatever. Get some more. Alright. And we'll talk to you next time.